Hi everybody, just wanted to give you a makeup for dummies, and I mean doing your eyes. Sticking to really simple 3 shades at the most, but I just wanted to show you how simple this is. So you can probably see this eye I've done. This eye is fairly naked still. So I'm going to walk you through the 3 really easy, or maybe 4 really easy steps that I do to have a lovely finished eye. And it certainly isn't your look for every day if you're that person. It certainly isn't what I would do every single day, but nonetheless it's nice to have that little trick up your sleeve that you can do if you're going to dinner, going to a party, doing something out of the ordinary, and without feeling overwhelmed with getting into the bathroom to make yourself look a bit different than normal, because really that's what makeup does. It gives you a lift, and it gives you a finished look and more of a polished look, and it's not as hard as people think it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a fluffy brush, and a fluffy brush will help with the base color. So what I'm using today is our nude eyeshadow palette, and it has a beautiful range of colors, whether you're after flat matte colors, whether you're after something with a little bit of a shimmer through it. Just be careful, tip, if you are feeling that your eyes are starting to be a little crepey, or too much shimmer can actually work against us. So in this case I'm using a fluffy brush, and I've loaded up my brush, and I am just going to do what we call the windscreen wiper. So all over, right the way up to the eyebrow with the fluffy brush. So that's my base color, and love how soft these brushes are. They've got 6 different brushes for doing your eyes. This is the fluffy brush. Then I will use one that's slightly has a not as fluffy as you can see, just the flat brush, and I'm going to do number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and just going to, don't load the brush up too much, because remember, less is better, less is more, and you can always go back and get a bit more on your brush. Okay, and then I'm just going to go into the crease. We all have this crease, so you kind of make the brush do the work for you and go into the crease. And I am going to load my brush with a bit more, and then going to go down, so almost like I'm doing a V shape, little circles to get the product into the eye. Now I also have another magic little product in our skincare range that if you kind of feel when you look at your eye that the eyelid is crepey, there is a fix to that. And if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, there is certainly a amazing product that we sell that helps to stop that crepiness from happening on the eyelid. Now, like I have just done, a little blooper, put too much product, I've loaded up the brush. Just get your fluffy brush and blend that in a little more to get rid of the little blob of excess that I managed to get there. Now, what you can do with the brush that's got a little slant on it, you can see there it's got a little slant on it. I am using our darkest brown, and a trick that I like to do is get a white makeup wipe and kind of just get your brush between that wipe, so you get a bit of dampness on the brush. Then you get a little bit of the brown one at the end here. You could do navy as well, depending on your eye color, and just get a little bit of that, and I'm going to use it like an eyeliner. So just go across the eye, as you can see. And kind of give a finished look to it. Now if you feel that you need to just blend that a little bit, it's great to have the brushes just to do that. And then I'll get a little bit more and just run it under, but only on the edge. I don't want to go all the way into the corner of my eye, because what that does is makes your eyes look smaller. And let's face it, nobody's ever wanting to do that. So very simple. But then to give the eye a pop, I am just going to get a little bit of the rose gold, the number 2 color. And the colours are beautiful in this compact. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the rose gold, and what I'm going to do with that is just pop it in the centre of my eyelid. And so when you're talking to someone, it's just what we call a little pop colour. Voila! That is how to do with about 3 to 4 easy steps. That took me a minute or two to show you, using really good colours that do as they're meant to. They have good pigmentation, good payoff. So that is our nude compact from Nutremedics.